Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. So, children, as you all know, that we are doing the chapter number. Which chapter number we are doing?
7. Jugs and
7.
mugs. Jugs and mugs.
Chapter number 7, Jugs and Mugs. What are we learning in this chapter?
Liters and
Liter and
milliliters.
milliliter. Liters and milliliters.
Liters. Which
Additions.
operation we have already covered about the liters and
Ma'am,
milliliters?
addition, conversion.
Conversion and addition.
Ma'am, conversion, addition.
Two concepts we have
Ma'am,
already done. Yeah, two concepts we have already covered about the addition and conversion of the liters and milliliters. Okay, so what are you expecting? What will be our next topic?
subtraction.
Subtraction. You all are right. Subtraction of liters and milliliters, subtraction of capacity. So please take out your notebook and start writing. Write your today's date, write chapter number and chapter name. I will only write the topic. You please write the name, number, and the name of the chapter also. Topic is subtraction of capacities. Topic is subtraction of capacities. Turn on your camera, everyone. Kavisha and Rishik Bajaj and Varinya and Jania. Please turn on your camera, please. Kavisha, now this will really affect on your grades, bacha. It will affect on your grades. Don't think you switch off your camera. You are very good student, very intelligent student, and then you switch off your camera and sit. It will really affect on your grades. Rishik, please remove this background.
Ma'am, you are stuck. No, ma'am, ma'am, you are stuck. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Now
now
it's
you
clear.
are okay. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, now it's
It
clear.
happens sometimes. Yeah. Okay. So first one sum I will give you. Please write down in your notebooks and solve it. Suppose I have the milkman came and he gave me, I have taken 19 liters and 725 milliliters of milk, and then I gave from that 13 liters 914 milliliters to my neighbor. How much milk is left with me? So please, in the subtraction, in addition, whether you write the bigger number up or the smaller number up, there is no difference. Answer will come same. Whether you do 19 plus 3, 13, or 13 plus 19, the answer will be same. But in subtraction, you always write the bigger number first, right? But when you go in higher grades, you will learn the subtraction from smaller number, and then value will come in this minus. That will be in the higher grades. But till grade 5, you will only learn the subtraction is possible from the greater number only. Got it, everyone? So 19 liter, 725 milliliter, 13 liter, 914 milliliter. Am I audible to you all? I hope. Yes?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, here many students make the mistake where when they are writing, right, when they are arranging them in the columns, liter and milliliter, what they do, they write 19 liter because it's a bigger. And what mistake the children do does is that, please lower down your pen pencil and listen here, this is very very important. Where the children make mistakes, what they see that 19 liter is greater, so we write 19 liter. And in milliliter also they compare that 914 is greater, so they write 914 with 19, which will be wrong. Why? Because the friend of 19 liter is 725, that only will go along with that. Only we compare from the liters, not from the milliliters. Got it? Again, I am repeating the mistake where the children, normally the children do is, what they do, they compare the liters, that greater liter will come first, and in milliliters also they compare, then they write 914 first, which will be wrong. Got it, everyone? This is clear to you all? So what will come along with the 19?
725.
725.
Yes. And with the 13, 914 milliliters. Now subtract and tell me what is the answer. 5 minus 4 is? Varija, why
Ma'am,
5
can
minus
I tell
4 is?
Yog?
Yoga, you please raise your virtual hand. I will give you a chance.
Yes,
No one
ma'am.
will say can I in my class. Varija, 5 minus 4.
1.
Laisha, 2 minus 1.
1.
Mir Virani, 7 minus 9.
Ma'am, we have to carry.
Borrow.
Yes, ma'am. Borrow. So 7 will become 17.
17. 17 minus 9.
Ma'am, 17 minus 9 is. Ma'am, it is.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can
No.
I write like
No, it is
19
eight.
liter? Ma'am, can I
Eight.
write like 19 liter 725 milliliter from 13 liter? Can
Ma'am,
I
it is
say
8.
that?
19 liter. 13 liter 914 milliliter from 19. अगर आप word from use कर रहे हो तो this will come, group will come first and this will come next. 8 will come here
Yes, ma'am.
and this will become 8. 8 minus 3, Arnav what? Arnav, 8 minus 3.
8 minus 3, 5.
And Deek Patel, what will come here?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minus 1 is 0. So
So how many liters?
So 5 liters, 811 milliliter.
This will be your answer, students. I request Jania,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
request Ansel, I request Varinya to turn on the camera and sit in my class. I request Bhakti and Kiana to turn on the camera and sit in my class.
Camera is on. Even mine
No,
is on.
but
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am
Ma'am, I
not
can
simply saying
see.
it.
Ma'am, I can see. Ma'am, please pin them so you can see
Okay,
them.
okay. He turn on your camera. Yes, Mohammed.
Yes, Mama.
Can I drink water?
Please drink.
Ma'am, have you given the second question?
No. Everyone completed this?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
again,
ma'am.
I am requesting and informing you all. Okay, please wait. Let me speak something. Again, I'm requesting and telling you all, please join class on time. Join class on time. If you have some network issues, please join 2-3 minutes before the time. Am I clear to you all? Okay. Now next sum. I have I
Can you show the answer? I can't see the answer.
check now. Okay. Now next story problem I'm making on subtraction is in my car. In my car, I fill always 53 liter, 350 milliliter. But in my car already there is 17 liter, 152 milliliter petrol is there. How much more petrol I will put in my car? How you will find out? Who will tell me this answer?
Ma'am, Yog.
Yes, you. Make the liter and milliliter.
Yes, ma'am.
53 liter, 350
53
liter.
liter.
Total is the capacity of my car. But in my car already 17 liter, 152 petrol is already there.
Yes, ma'am.
How much more I need to put?
Ma'am, you will put 2.
0 minus 2.
Ma'am, 0 minus 2 is equal to 2.
Wow, excellent, Yuksurana. I'm not expecting from you this. 0 minus 2 is 2.
Sorry, ma'am, 8. We will first borrow from 5. It will
Yes.
become 10.
Now next, Ahana. 4
I'm
minus
written
5.
over here.
Ma'am, we will carry.
Borrow.
Sorry, ma'am.
When you are taking something from someone, you are borrowing, no? आप जब भी अपने फ्रेंड से भी कुछ लेते हो तो यू बोरो नो, ये भी अपने फ्रेंड से ले रहे हैं ना, तो दे आर बोरोइंग, नॉट
Ma'am, the
कैरी.
answer is 19.
19.
No, 9.
14 minus 5 is 9. And this 3 will become Khush Desai.
Ma'am, 3 will become 2.
And 2 minus 1 is
2 minus 1 is 1.
Kiana. 3 minus 7. Abarija, do this
Yes,
after
ma'am.
the class. Whatever you are doing after the class.
Yes, ma'am. 3 minus 7 is not possible, so we will borrow it and we will cut 3 and make it 13.
Then
Then 13 minus 7.
is what?
7.
13 minus 7 is 7.
No, ma'am. Let me minus, then I will tell you that.
Yes, Laisha.
Ma'am, I can tell.
6.
Yeah, but Laisha, if I'm talking and giving chance to other students, please don't do this, right? Lower down your hand now. Now, this will become what, Navya? 5 will become what, Navya?
4.
And 4 minus 1?
3.
So what will be the answer? 36 liter, 198 milliliter. Is I need to fill more. Please do this fast.
Done,
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am. Done, ma'am. All finished.
Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, Prayag, give me one sum. I will write and solve your sum. Prayag.
Okay, ma'am. I have 23 liter, 440 milliliter petrol in my car. Then I will, no, it's minus. Then I will fill. Then I will remove it from 12 liter, 240 milliliter. I will travel
Yes.
by 12 liter, 240. So we will minus.
Yes, children,
so we
you
will
have to write.
subtract both of
Liter and milliliter. 23 liter.
Ma'am, may I?
440
Ma'am,
milliliter.
we have to write it.
Yes, if I'm writing here on the board, you have to write it in your notebooks.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, please. Washroom and water, please don't
Ma'am,
ask in the
can I
class.
tell the answer?
No, I will give chance to other students. Everyone needs to give the chance. Yes, Rishik. 0 minus 0.
Ma'am, 0.
4 minus 0. Rishik only.
Ma'am, 4.
4 minus 4. Sorry, 4 minus 4.
0.
Janya, 4 minus 2. Janya, 4 minus 2.
2.
2. Next is
Ma'am, I can tell the full answer.
no. Next is Janya done. Navya, Kiana, Bhakti. 3 minus
Yes,
2.
3 minus 2 is equal 1.
1. Next is
Ma'am,
Ansel.
Varija is eating something.
Ma'am, 1.
Varija, I have already told you not to eat right now. Stop.
Ma'am, 1.
1. So 11 liter, 200 milliliter is your answer.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, now I can say word problem.
Wait, wait. Let me give you one more sum and then I will ask from you all.
Yes, ma'am, you always give us 4 sums.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Can I?
can I tell
No.
the
I will give you chance. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, but Rishik's camera is off.
Rishik, please turn on your camera.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can see me?
Yes. Now I can see you. Can I erase the board, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. Now here one more sum I am going to give you. Suppose fourth sum. 15 liter, 95 milliliter, 51 liter, 6 milliliter. Subtract and give me the answer. Write in the chat box. So here which group will come first, student? 15 liter 95 milliliter or 51 liter 6 milliliter?
ma'am, the secondary. 51 liter.
6 milliliter. Now in milliliter, you all know that 3 digits should come.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
write?
We have to put 2 zeros before 6.
Rishik, 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 please eat after the class.
Ma'am, I am not eating.
It's okay, but I have observed. So what I have observed, I have told you, inform you. Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
What will come, Dev Patel? What will come before 6?
Yes, ma'am. Before
Ma'am,
6, there are 2 zeros.
2 zeros we will put. And 15 liter, 95 milliliter. So to make 3 digit here, what we have to put here is there in the class.
ma'am, then can I tell the answer?
I will give you chance, Mir Virani. What will come here?
1 0.
Yes. Now you do Mir Virani. 6 minus 5.
Ma'am, 6 minus 5 is 1.
Bhakti, 0 minus
Ma'am,
9.
ma'am, we have to make 0 10. 9.
I'm asking from Bhakti. Yes,
0
Bhakti.
minus 9 1.
0 minus 9. 0 will become what?
10.
10. 10 minus 9.
1.
1. Janya, what will be here? Janya, what will be
0
here?
minus
My dear,
0.
This 1 was become 0, has
We
given
have to
1 to this become 10. Now this has become 10, so this 0 is what?
10.
No. Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand.
9. Ma'am, I can
9.
tell. Ma'am,
And 9 minus 0 is?
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, 9.
What will be here? 0 minus 5 is not possible. What we will do? What we will do,
Borrow.
students?
We will
Borrow.
Borrow.
borrow
And minus 5. And this 5 will become what? Push this I.
Ma'am, 4.
And 4 minus 1 is
3.
3. Please copy it down. 335 liter, 911 milliliter. Copy it down, and then now I will ask from you all one sum. You have to give me one, at least 2 story problems you make in the notebook with the statement based on subtraction. And I will call your name. You have to make the story problem and tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Tomorrow I am going anywhere, so I can't do the class.
You send the mail.
But ma'am, tomorrow is not our class of maths.
Yeah,
Yes.
today we don't have.
Excuse me,
Send the mail to your
ma'am.
class teacher.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, but tomorrow is working, no? But
Yes, this Saturday is working. Okay.
ma'am, but last Saturday was working also.
My dear, in this month, first and second Saturday was off, and third and fourth Saturday is working. Only for this month, Varinya. And make it clear, everyone, that this Saturday is working.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, it is 36 liter and 911 millimeter.
How, bacha? Check.
Ma'am, it is written 51 liter and uh, 6 milliliter and 95 millimeter, and then in a liter it is 15 liter. So we will minus 6 minus y, it is 1. Then 0 minus 9, it is not possible, so we will carry and take a 9 from it, and 1 will be 0. Yes, yes, ma'am.
1 will be 0. 6 minus 5 is what?
6 minus 5 is 1.
Hmm.
And
then?
0 minus 9 is, it is not possible, and 0 minus 0 we cannot borrow, so that is 1 we will carry. We will borrow 0, 1 will be 0, and this 0 will be 9, and
6 minus 5 is 1. Right? Now, this 0 will borrow from this. But before, this is also 0, so it will borrow from here. Yeah.
yes,
So
ma'am.
this will become 0. This will become 0. Ahana, see
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
This will become 0 and this will become 10. When this will
Yes,
give 1 here, so it will become 10 and this will become 9. So
yes, ma'am.
10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus
Yes,
0 is 9. Now 0 minus 5 is not possible. Again, it will take 1 and become the 10. 10
yes,
minus
ma'am.
5 is 5.
Mm.
And 4 minus 1 is 3.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, students, please, I will call your name and I want the one story problem from each child. I will
Ma'am,
start
can I
from
say
Navya.
Rishabh?
No, not can I. I don't. This rule is not my classroom. Raise your virtual hand. I will give you a chance to speak. Navya.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, in this subtraction, we can also use the liter sign also. Just liter, not use milliliter.
Just liter means?
Means which I am writing the word problem is just a liter, not
It
the.
can be liters also. It is not
Okay.
compulsory that your answer is in milliliter also.
Okay, because
And it
you
can be
have
only
given.
milliliters also, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose you went to the market, you bought a Coke bottle, and the Coke bottle is of 300 ml, and you drank 250 ml from it. How much is left with you? 50 ml. So
So, okay, ma'am.
it can be only milliliters, it can be milliliters and milliliters both. It can be only liters. It's up to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Navya.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can we write in the chat box?
Yeah, please write in the chat box. Navya, please speak. One story
90,
problem.
92 liter, 128 milliliter.
No story problem. I
Oh,
want it with the story.
okay, ma'am. Am I don't know
Okay,
story.
be ready. By the time I'm giving chance to other students, सुनो फिर आप जवाब देना. Yes, Rishik.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Rishik.
Yes. I add 22 liters water and 160 ml. Out of that, 16 liters and 60 ml is used. So 6 liter 100 ml will be left.
Very good.
Am I right, ma'am?
Yes. Next child, Yuk Surana.
Yes, ma'am. My friend got 53 liter for 55 milliliter of petrol for his car and 10 liter 525 liter milliliter is in the car. So how much petrol will be more so how much petrol will my friend give to the car?
Hmm.
Ma'am, 1 minute, I do it and give you.
Okay. Priya, can you read your story problem?
Yes, ma'am. My car has 54 liter 555 milliliter petrol. Then my car travels 32 liter 333 milliliter. Find
Travel
how
will
much.
be in kilometer.
Sorry, but we traveled this much.
So you say it
It,
this much is
no,
used.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This much is used.
Hmm.
Find how
32
much
liter,
petrol is left. How much petrol is
32
left in my
liter,
car?
and how many milliliter used?
32 liter, 333 milliliter. So the
Okay.
answer will be 54 liter, 555 milliliter minus 32 liter, 333 milliliter is equal to 22 liter, 222 milliliter. So
Very good.
my
The
answer is
answer is in the, your answer is the special answer, right? 22 liter,
yes, ma'am.
222 special numbers. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am. And can I read the
Yes,
answer? So
next.
22, ma'am, 1 minute. So 22 liter, 222 milliliter uh, petrol is left in my car.
Very good. Now, next child. Please raise your virtual hand. I will give you a
Ma'am,
chance
can
to
I give
speak
you
and
the
give me the word
answer?
problems. Yes, Yuk Surana.
Ma'am, the answer is 42 liter and
42 liter.
930 milliliter.
Hmm. Yeah.
And 930 milliliter.
Next child, raise your word. Dirk Patel. Give me one story problem.
Yes, ma'am. I have a jug. Its maximum capacity is about 3 liters, 333 milliliters. I poured, I, I drank, I drank 2 liters, 111 milliliters of water. How much is it? How much water is left in the jug.
Hmm.
I'll do the answer.
Yes, please find out the answer and tell me. Yes, Kiana, give me one story problem.
Ma'am, I am writing my story problem.
Okay, Arnav Desai. Arnav, Khush Desai, Heer Patel. Who
Ma'am,
is
I am
ready with
also.
the story
Ma'am,
problem?
I am also
I'm
writing.
writing last is so minus I am in.
Please do
Ma'am,
fast.
how many word
Ma'am,
problems
I
we
is
have to
done.
write?
Two word problems
Ma'am,
you
can
Ma'am,
can
I
write.
have
I get the
written.
answer?
Ma'am, I can say first.
Yes, Div, you say.
Can I tell the
Okay, ma'am.
answer?
Yeah, tell me. Wait, Div, tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. 222 liter minus 2 liter 111 milliliter equals to 1 liter 111 milliliter.
No, 101 liter. So yours was 3 liter, 333 milliliter, right?
No, ma'am. It was 222.
Okay, 222. Then it is right. Yes, Dev,
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
me.
Yes, ma'am. My in my card there is 50.
Children, you wait. Let me speak. You can make with the petrol. You can make with the cold drink. You can make with the oil. You can make with all the liquid things, student. Don't copy the same thing only. Make with all the liquid things of the story problem. Okay, Div, tell me.
In my car there is 52 liter and
Hmm.
365 ml,
Yes.
and I used 32 liter and 365 milliliter.
Hmm.
So, ma'am, I can minus and tell.
Yeah, please minus and tell the answer. Yes, Ahana. Make one story problem.
Yes, ma'am. I I bought one cold drink, Coke bottle of uh, 20 rupees and
It is not
20.
rupees.
Sorry,
Here we
ma'am.
are discussing liter and milliliter.
I, I bought one Coke bottle of uh, 15 liter, 15 milliliter,
Only
and
15 milliliters.
20 milliliter, and I have drink 15, 15 milliliters. So, ma'am, can I tell the so the answer so the uh, Coke is left 5 milliliter.
Yes. Yes, Dev, are you
Can
ready
see
with
the
your
answer.
answer?
I'm also
Yes.
ready, ma'am.
And 20
Neer
liter.
Virani, follow class rule. Yes, Dev. What is your answer?
Ma'am, the answer is 20 liter.
Yes. Yes, Meer Virani. Now tell the one word problem.
I saw a small water tank of
Hmm.
450 liter,
Hmm.
230 ml.
Hmm.
Then after some time, I saw a big tanker of 750 liter, 130 milliliter. How much will left?
No, the story problem language is not correct. You can say that from the big tank, I have filled the small tank. So now how much water is left in the big tank? This way you can make the story problem. Okay.
May I
Now,
can
yes, Arnav, please tell.
Yes, ma'am. I, I, I bought a Coca-Cola bottle of 3 350 liter and 520 ml. I drink a 25 liter and 350 ml. In the Coca-Cola bottle, 10 liter and 170 milliliter is left.
No. You say 350 liter and 525 milliliter. Yes.
No, I
Then
said 350.
first was how many liters it was there?
350 liter and
So
5
350 is what? Arnab, 350 is what? 350 liter?
350 liter and 335 liter.
Wrong. You say again. Please tell me again your story problem.
I bought a Coca-Cola bottle 35 liter and a 520 milliliter. I
Hmm.
drink 25 liter and 350 ml. In
Hmm.
the Coca-Cola bottle left it is 10 liter and 170 ml.
Okay, let me check. 170 तो नहीं आएगा. 5 minus 0 is 5. And 12 minus 5 is?
Oh, 0 is there and 5 minus 5 is 3 minus 2 is 1 and milliliter is 0 minus 0 to find 12
Just
can
check your answer, Arnav, and then come to me. Yes, Navya. Navya, please speak one story
Ma'am,
problem.
after Navi I can tell I have correct.
No, last only Navya because time up.
Okay, ma'am.
Students, I will send you a worksheet, Google form based on subtraction. Solve all the sums in your notebook and submit and click the final answer in your Google form. Why I am sending Google form to you all so that you can get your answers at the same time. Got it, students? And please do mark as done today itself. Otherwise, if you do tomorrow, mark as done, it will show in missing. Please do mark as done when you submit your Google Forms. Do it today only as mark as done. Otherwise, it will go in the missing. Yes, Navya.
My scooter has 92 liter 128 milliliter petrol
Hmm.
and I travel 55 liter 130 milliliter. So
Travel,
how
but आप travel नहीं कर सकते. Travel will be in kilometer and meter. You
okay,
can say that this much liter and milliliter of petrol is used.
okay. Uh, so how much petrol is left? Nine,
Hmm.
92 liter 128 milliliter minus 55 liter 130 milliliter is equal
Okay.
to 46 liter 998 milliliter.
Okay, I have not checked the answer, but the concept is clear to you all. Everyone is clear with the concept. How to do the subtraction,
Yes, ma'am.
how to make the story problems based on subtraction. Okay, thank you, students.
And check
Yes, ma'am.
mine. Whenever I say,
Ma'am.
ma'am, I
I will check after the
wait.
class. It is in the
Seven,
that no chat box.
9,